you searching for the best 7-inch round LED headlights to upgrade your ride? Whether you drive a Jeep Wrangler, a classic Chevy, or even a Miata, lighting up the road with clarity and confidence is essential. Introducing the UNI-SHINE 2PCS 7-inch LED headlights, your perfect solution for safer and brighter night driving. These DOT-approved headlights feature a unique reflector design with a Z-shaped cutoff line, delivering 500% more brightness than stock halogen or HID lights without blinding oncoming drivers. Powered by advanced LED chips, these headlights maintain consistent brightness for up to 2 years, with lower power consumption and improved road visibility to reduce driving fatigue. No worries about weather conditions. With IP67 waterproof certification and durable die-cast aluminum housing, they're built to last and resist condensation. Installation? Super easy. Just plug and play using the included H4 adapter and you're good to go. You'll also get free H4 to H13 adapters in the package for broader compatibility. We recommend watching an installation video for the smoothest experience. And if you experience any flickering issues, don't worry. A built-in Decoder is included to handle most vehicles. For the rare cases where flickering occurs, UNI-SHINE offers free decoders on request. These 7-inch headlights are compatible with Jeep Wrangler models like TJ, JK, LJ, CJ7, and CJ8, as well as the Mazda Miata, Chevy, and many other vehicles using a standard 7-inch round headlight. So if you're ready to upgrade your visibility, enhance your safety, and give your ride a bold new look, the UNI-SHINE LED headlights are the way to go. To check the current price or grab your pair now, click the link in the description.